Hey there, you beautiful souls, and welcome back to our little corner of creativity and inspiration. Today's video is going to be a special treat for all of you fellow free spirits out there. For those who follow my channel and didn't already know, late last year I started a custom rug business. And for those of you that are new here, welcome. I hope you'll find my content informative and subscribe. So since I started my business, I've been working on this smaller 22-inch frame that you see over there with Homer on it. And I've grown to need a newer one. So what did I do? I went on Amazon and I ordered this aluminum tufting frame that you see here. But when I got it, I couldn't figure out how to put it together. Yes, it came with instructions, but I was dumbfounded as to what I needed to do. So I just decided it would be easier and beneficial for others out there who are ordering this frame to have an instructional video. So here goes. So I'm just a little bit directionally challenged. So the instructions at first were very intimidating for me. So the first thing I did is I just separated everything so I could look at everything that had come with the kit and try to figure out how to go from there. So here I am just separating all the pieces. So after that, I thought I was ready to put it together, but I ended up getting stuck because if you see here, the hexagonal wrench that's pictures on the instructions is not what actually came with it. This is the tool that actually comes with the kit. So just keep that in mind because it does not look like the picture. So now we're going to move on to step one and put the first corner together. You're going to need 2 of the orbital screw caps, which is the round one. You're going to need 2 screws. You're also going to need 1 aluminum corner and your wrench. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to slide the flat part of the screw into the groove, and then you'll see when you get it in there, you can twist it so that it does not pull out. Once you have it in there, you're going to add the aluminum cover. You're going to slide that through one of the holes, and then you're going to begin to screw the cap over that screw. Just keep watching as I do that here. As you can see, I struggled just a little bit with this because of my nails and they kept getting in the way, but it was a pretty easy process once I got it down. Once you get that side tightened, then you're going to begin working on the other side and just repeat that process. Continue to repeat the process all the way around until you have your 4 corners constructed and the top half of your frame is put together. Now that you got that put together, the bottom part where the legs of the stand are pretty much self-explanatory. I just used the photo again. I referred back to the photo on the instructions to see how the aluminum corners were placed, and that's how I was able to put that together. But it's just the same process repeated again. Once you figure out a method for tightening these screws, the process for putting this together is pretty easy. I think it maybe took me about an hour from start to finish. All right, so we got the frame standing on its own now. We're just gonna repeat this process one more time and add the final bar that goes down there at the bottom. Please refer to the instructional picture for reference. So now you're going to grab the orbital screw cap and a circle screw, and you're going to insert the circle screw into the orbital screw cap. What we're doing now is we are assembling the wire routing parts. And once you get that screwed in there, you're going to slide the actual screw through the top of the groove on one side of your frame. Once you get it to the desired height, you'll just continue to tighten that screw so that it stays in place. And again, you'll repeat this process, adding the second one as well. Now we're going to assemble the side spool holder. By now you should be very familiar with sliding the T-screws through the grooves in the frame. So what you're going to do is you're going to take those last two and you're going to slide them through the groove. And both of these spool holders have, on the inside, they have little grooves so that you can twist them on the screw. So with the side that has the grooves on the inside, you're just simply going to twist it onto the screw. And you'll repeat the process with the second one until they're both tightened. Finally, you're just gonna add all the plastic caps in all the places where they go. And again, just refer to the instructional guide's photo to see where that is. Overall, I felt like this was a pretty easy process once I buckled down and really followed the instructions. But if you're like me and you're immediately intimidated by instructions of putting things together, I knew it would be helpful to be able to just have a video for reference, because I couldn't find one out there anywhere. But here I am adding my tufting cloth to the frame. I'm really excited to use it. Again, I hope this video helped you. I will be adding more content on rug making and running my rug making business. So if you need help, please subscribe, because there's definitely more content where this came from. All right, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Love ya.